Good afternoon, watch every enthusiasts and newbies. Welcome to the rabbit hole with Cal Shaves. Recently, you saw me do a video with the Flagship 3-piece Unoria. Very nice razor. I believe this one listed for about $28 or so on Amazon. Now, they've also got a second one that I did finally get. About $33 on Amazon. It is the Serein. I think I'm saying that right. And the owners of the company told me what it means. I will list it here in the edits. It's about 4.1 ounces. 4-inch handle, so probably about a 4¼ inch overall length. I did use this last week before I went to go trucking, and I found it very efficient but very aggressive. A lot of blade feel. And actually they were telling me that it was designed, it was actually their first design, and it was actually supposed to be less aggressive, less blade feel than the Unoria. But here we go, it's a 3-piece. I love that antique look. It's very, very cool. It's very solid. Going to take a brand new Vascade. I'm probably going to do a 2-pass and a tidy up. So it's a 3-piece. The end tab just sticking out a little bit. Nice threading. Nice scalloped look on that. And today we are going with Ginger Garden Pumpkin Spice. This is tallow formula. I got this a little while ago. It is late November, I believe it's November 24th, but still, good time to be using it. What I'd like to do is, like I said, do our first lather and pass in real time, and then multi-speed the second. I just got out the shower. If you don't like pumpkin, you're not going to like that scent, but if you do, if you're like me, love pumpkin pie and all that, just a wonderful, wonderful scent. She doesn't list it on her website. It is a custom scent. You can talk to her and she will make you many, many different custom scents. I believe she offers them in tallow and in vegan. Just a wonderful, wonderful scent. Smells exactly like pumpkin pie. So we're going to do first pass with the grain. Brand new Voscod. Yeah, fair bit of blade feel similar to what I experienced a week ago. I did have a used Voscod in it then. This is brand new. Guys that like a 4-inch handle, a longer handle, are going to like this. For me personally, I prefer about a 3-inch handle. But the knurling is really nice. It's solid weight. And you can see it's definitely not head heavy. A lot more blade feel on my neck. Now I believe these razors are made in China, but available on Amazon, and I do have a website as well. And I will post links. Yep, definitely need to do a second pass and probably a tidy up. But feels really good. Bowed down a lot. By the way, I just got this brush from Scott Yingling out of Western Canada. And I'm going to be giving away, not this particular one, but I'm going to be offering a large giveaway with one of Scott Yingling's brushes. And I will post a video very soon about that. It'll be hopefully a Christmas giveaway. We will post the details hopefully in a few days about that, but should be a fairly large giveaway. Couple little weepers on my neck. Okay, so for this one we're going to go just directly against the grain. We're going to miss the middle across the grain. Just a little spot there. We're just going to do a quick touch up there. Great slickness on that soap. Great scent. It's BBS in most spots, and the rest of them are DFS. Damn fine shave on that. So we're gonna do a quick rinse out. We're gonna come right back, so stay put. Hey guys, we're back. I'm gonna do something I was watching Christopher David Bailey the other day do. I guess he's learned this from a few other shavers. He's modified it. I'm just gonna take a regular ice cube Mind you, it is late November in Eastern Canada, so this would feel great in the summertime. Just do a bit of a cold water rinse. Now what CBD does is he's actually taken it and modified it by putting some essential oils or a little bit of splash in it. Maybe a little bit of witch hazel or aloe. That's just a plain regular ice cube. So what we're also going to do is take our Razor Rock alum out of the dry dock. Because there's a few weepers. Ow, yeah. A little bit of irritation on my neck. Guess my skin doesn't like 2 pass. Guess I've got to do 3 pass with it. We'll pat that dry. Put it back in this. It'll dry out. Be ready to go for my next shave. Overall, did a damn nice job. A lot of blade feel, which I like. So quite aggressive, very, very efficient. Very different from the Henson I used a week or 2 ago. So anyway, we'll give this a rinse. We're going to apply the splash. I grab my glasses so I can see. This is Ginger's Garden Matching Splash, the pumpkin spice, and this is aloe vera juice, witch hazel, FDA approved alcohol, water, glycerin, propylene glycol, fragrance, menthol, and benzophenone. Sure. So. Oh, I did a video a little while ago. Using her products as well. I use the header, make it for me, the cranberry citrus, which feels great. Smells wonderful. Get the tingle of the menthol in it. Very happy with it. So that is going to wrap this one up. So today we used from Flagship the Serein fresh Voss cod in there, 4-inch handle, overall 4 1/4, about 4 or 4.1 ounces. Comes in this great box, which I did ask them about, and they're thinking about actually adding a pack of blades to it. I guess the idea with this is that with this foam piece, is that when you're done with it, you can pull this out and just use it for a blade bank or to store your gear in or whatever. That is the idea. Comes with great starter literature, how to load, how to shave with it, all that stuff. So. And again, I think it was about $33, $34 USD on Amazon, so very happy with it. From Scott Yingling out of Canada. I believe this is a 24mm synthetic. I asked him to set it the way he likes it, so it's probably set a little bit low than what some of my other ones are, but I really, really like that. And of course, Irena, Marchu, Ginger's Garden, pumpkin spice, great for this time of year, and Magic Splash. So very, very happy with it. So, I will post links to these different products down below if you're interested. And yeah, I think that's going to wrap this one up. Time to go trucking tomorrow. You guys take care of each other. You guys be good to each other. It's we're still dealing with this crisis, and God only knows how long it's going to last for. But you guys take care. You be safe. We'll see you again in a few days. Bye bye. You can't save me. You can't save me. I'm better off.